Hello friends, in this video I will show how to download and install WhatsApp on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, if you need to use WhatsApp on your laptop, so follow some easy steps. Open any web browser and search here whatsapp.com. Open web browser and search whatsapp.com, and here you will see these options. Select here Mac or Windows PC. Now here click on Get It from Microsoft and make sure you can use WhatsApp on your laptop once you installed on your phone. So firstly download and install on your phone, and then visit this page and get it from Microsoft. Open Microsoft, and if Microsoft Store asking account, mail and password, so enter your Microsoft account, mail and password and download and install. Then just click on open. So this is the basic and simple way to download and install WhatsApp on your laptop. To logging your So thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not. And if you have any query or error, so comment. I will try to reply it.